Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Roosamekto Mamek, aka Raja Mexico. Okay, without any further talk, let's do the walkthrough. And this is my right foot, yeah. Got it? One and two, three and four, five and six, seven and eight. One and two, three and four, five and six, seven and eight. One and two, three and four, five, six, seven, eight. One and two, three and four, five and six, seven and eight. Okay guys, I am going to repeat one more time, very quick, yeah. One and two, three and four, five and six, seven and eight. One and two, three and four, five and six, seven and eight. One and two, three and four, five, six, seven, eight. One and two, three and four, five and six, seven and eight. Okay guys, that's all. There is 4 count tag, yeah. I'm going to press for the tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's all. If you like it, don't forget please to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.